Welcome. In this video we are going to learn TCP synchronous port scanning auxiliary module in Metasploit. Scanners and most other auxiliary module use the rhosts option instead of just rhost. Rhost can take IP ranges like 192.168.1.20 to 192.168.1.30. CIDR ranges, that is 192.168.1.024, multiple ranges separated by commas like 192.168.1.024, 192.168.3.024, and line separated host list files, that is file tmp hostlist.txt. This is another use for grippable and map output file. By default, all of the scanner modules will have the threads value set to 1. The threads value sets a number of concurrent threads to use while scanning. Set this value to higher number in order to speed up your scans or keep it lower in order to reduce network traffic. Keep the threads value under 16 on native Windows 32 system. Keep threads under 200 when running MSF under SIGWIN. On Unix-like operating system, threads can be set as high as 256. There are a variety of other port scanners that are available to us within the framework. Let's open up MSF console, load port scan SYN module, that is synchronous module, type use auxiliary /scanner/port scan /SYN. Type info. Here you can see that module information, basic options, batch size, the number of hosts to scan per set, delay, the delay between connection per thread in milliseconds, interface, the name of the interface, and so on. Let's set remote host address. Type set rhost 192.168.0.7. Type set threads 50. See the options, type show options. Here you can see that all the option values are set. Let's run it. It will take few minutes. Here you can see that 192.168.0.7 21 port is open. So that's it in this video on TCP synchronous port scanning in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.